Have you been searching for the right sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Nissan Sentra SR in gunmetal with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch touch screen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 62.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.